Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Podcast. I'm happy you're here today.
Hi, thank you for listening. Today's topic is very warm and friendly.
Yes. Today we're going to talk about family, friends, and fun.
This is a great topic for daily English. Very easy, very useful.
Let's start with family. Do you have a big family?
Not really. I have a small family. I live with my parents and one sister.
That's nice. Do you spend a lot of time with them?
Yes, I do. We usually eat dinner together. We talk about our day.
That sounds warm. I think family time is very important.
I agree. My parents always support me. They give me good advice.
That's great. I also like to talk with my family on weekends. We watch TV or cook together.
Now, let's talk about friends. Do you have many friends?
I have a few close friends. We don't meet every day, but we talk often.
That's good. Quality is more important than quantity.
Yes, I think so too. My friends make me laugh. They help me when I feel sad.
Same here. Good friends make life better.
How do you usually spend time with your friends?
We like to eat together. Sometimes we watch movies. Sometimes we just chat.
That sounds relaxing. I like simple time like that.
What do you do for fun?
I like listening to music and watching videos. Sometimes I read or go for a walk.
Nice. I like playing games and listening to podcasts.
Podcasts are great. You can learn and relax at the same time.
Yes, especially English podcasts. They help with listening skills.
That's true. And you can listen anytime at home or outside.
I think family and friends teach us many things.
Yes. They teach us how to care for others.
And how to communicate.
Also, how to enjoy life.
Life is better when we share it with others.
Today we talked about family, friends, and fun.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
If you are learning English, remember to practice a little every day.
Listening is a great start.